welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell and then you'll never miss any of my wig related videos. This video is being brought to you today by pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up for their emails and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com anytime you have any wig related questions. So today I'm going to do something a little different. I have this box of wigs here and as you can see it says Wig USA on it. I have never tried a Wig USA Wig Pro collection wig. I have a box full that I'm going to be doing reviews on, and I thought that I would unbox a few of the styles. I have not opened these boxes. I haven't seen the colors, haven't taken off the hair nets, haven't taken out the zigzag parts, any of that. I thought, let's do that on camera and let's look at this brand together for the first time. Maybe you have tried it. I personally have not. So I just thought it might be fun to introduce this brand as a brand new newbie to it and see what we think. So I'll be right back and we'll get started looking at all of these wigs. All right, let's jump in and we will get started looking at these Wig Pro Wig USA wigs. So Wig Pro is a brand that Pinky Promise has carried for a while. She is offering a 30% discount on this brand all of the time. So you will always get 30% off Wig Pro at pinkypromise.com. I just want to make sure that I mention that up front before I get started and forget to say it. So anyway, so I have Joy here in my hand. The color on Joy is 2780 R8. So haven't seen this color. I have seen this color on reviewers and I have seen this color in wig groups on people, but I personally have never tried it on. So I thought that I would show you Joy and Miley. Miley is in 1416 R8. And then for reviews, after I post this video, I'll start posting all the reviews. So reviews, I'm also going to have Alexis in 82680 HS12. And Camilla in 12R8 and Robin in 2360R8 and last but not least Heidi in 829R2. So those are all of the reviews that you can look forward to seeing, you know, in the coming days after I post this unboxing. So, but I just thought let's jump in and let's unbox a few and let's see what we think. So I'm going to start off with Miley, hope you can see that, in 1416 R8. So, let's open up Miley. All right, so open up the box. We've got tissue paper, of course. Looks like she is an open wefted cap, extended nape, and I see some mono here. I'm not sure if she's a full mono. It looks like full mono. And this color, 1416 R8. Looks like a pretty blonde, perhaps. So she is held into the box with, you know, bobby pins to keep her secure. So the hang tags are still going to be on these and everything. She does have a net on her. So take the hair net off. So cap-wise, she is a full mono top, lace front. The lace is thicker. It's a thicker lace. Feels a little rough to my touch, but we'll see how it feels. Sometimes that doesn't make a difference. I'm seeing felt ear tabs, open wefted, extended nape. I'm seeing Velcro adjusters. Doesn't really have a zigzag part, which is fine with me. I think sometimes those things are a pain to get out. Okay, so Miley's looks like she's curly, wavy, big barrel curls. Looks to be about shoulder length. So yeah, I don't really have to do anything to her. All right, let me pop off. This is Harley by Noriko, by the way, that I'm wearing. Pop her off and let's pop on Miley. So here we go. Straight out of the box, y'all. She looks pretty good right out of the box. Okay. All righty. So these are my first impressions just like y'all. So I think that part looks good. Lace front. The knots look pretty good to me from what I can see in my camera, and the hairline looks pretty good. I always like to look at this transition. There's a little bit of ear tab transitions showing right there. So that's something that you want to be mindful of when you wear a style, you know, the style. Yeah, it looks like it kind of shows over here too a little bit. So pretty though. So this color is the what? 1416 R8. So dark blondes, I'm guessing, with an 8 root. So, and this is a mono top, so I can, you know, change the part. It's kind of left and then drifting kind of towards the center from what I can see. Let me look at my mirror. Yeah, kind of left center. She looks pretty cute though. Cap is comfortable. You know, I'm petite, so I have some extra room back here. Seems to fit me in the circumference okay. Ear tabs are in a good spot on my head. They aren't, you know, going down below my ear or anything, making them uncomfortable or whatever. There's metal in the ear tabs. We'll take a closer look. The only sparseness I'm seeing is right there at that lace to ear tab transition. So it doesn't look too sparse on the ear tabs or anything. The hair feels good. This is regular synthetic, I believe. I didn't see anything about this being heat friendly. So let me show it to you all the way around. Okay, let me pop it off here. And I just want to look it over really, really good. So yeah, actually looks pretty good. The quality looks pretty good. The cap is comfortable. Now, like I said, this is a little bit thicker lace, but it didn't feel scratchy to me just in trying it on. I will wear these a little bit and see, you know, what I think. But yeah, that's pretty. Very pretty color. Okay, so that's Miley. She's cute. Discussed in some wig groups. Oh, looks to be 2780. 27, I'm used to having a 27 be kind of an auburn. So looks like a rooted blonde. Looks pretty. Okay, so she's in here. This is the front of the wig here. This is the back. So she's sort of boxed. So she's laying down like this, which is not, I think that's a nice way to box actually. I think it helps preserve the style. We'll see if it, you know, she's got tissue paper on the inside. We'll see if it, I don't think it's going to cause any issues for the style. I've seen wigs box like that before. So she does have a hairnet on her. Oh, she looks pretty too. So there's the color. Now, of course, this is just under my lights. When I do the review, I'll go into depth on the color and all that. I haven't even looked up color descriptions. She does have a zigzag part, which the other one did not. She is also a full mono with a lace front. Look at that before we go in and get after that zigzag. Same lace feel, a little, it's thick, has a little rough to the touch, but that doesn't always mean it's gonna be rough on my scalp. So felt ear tabs, open wefted, extended nape, Velcro adjusters. Okay, so she does have a zigzag, so I'm going to go in and try to get that zigzag out with combed through pretty easily. So if you've never taken if you've never watched someone take a zigzag out, I tend to just kind of keep going over it with my comb, try to get it to come out. This one is not wanting to come out too easily. Sometimes, I mean, I always tell y'all I try not to do too much to wigs whenever I'm gonna review them, because I want you to see, there we go, now we're kind of getting it out there, what they look like pretty much straight out of the box. So that's why I thought it might be fun to literally take them straight out of the box. You can see me see them for the first time. Okay, so I got most of that. I think that part might need a little more work, but all right. So again, the cap is fitting me pretty well. There's a little room forehead to nape, but circumference wise and ear to ear, she's fitting my petite head pretty well. This is really pretty. Wow. Very pretty shade, rooted. Very nice. Let's see if I can work on that part a little bit more. You always want to be careful. You don't want to there we go. That got it open more. Sometimes I have to put them on my head to get them open. I just can't seem to get them open when I'm holding it in my hand. Yeah, that's better. So she, like I said, full mono top, lace front. least front looks pretty good. I'm gonna look over these, I'll go back and look at this video. I can see that knotting, it is a darker knot. The knots don't look as tiny on this one. Let's look at that transition. That's not too bad, actually. I mean, I can feel it, but I'm not seeing like a, it's not showing up as much as it did in the other wig. Coverage is good. See that transition just slightly, that's not anything I'm super alarmed about though. So she's just a wavy, pretty style. Really pretty. Okay, so this one is Joy, and the color again is 2780 R8. So I am going to do my research on these wigs, and I'm going to get my color descriptions and all that kind of stuff, and then I will be starting to film the reviews. So I hope you enjoyed just seeing a couple of these unboxed, a little sneak peek at what I'm going to be reviewing. It's fun to unbox them with y'all and just show them to you, right out of the box and everything. But so far, I think they look pretty nice. So if I see anything in the other wigs that I don't like, I will definitely reveal it in the wig reviews. So thanks so much for watching. Thank you to Pinky Promise for sending these wigs to review, and there will be purchase information below for the Wig USA Wig Pro line. So look forward to telling you more about these in the reviews to come. Until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.